Welcome back to Lenz Loop. Today, we're exploring one of the most highly anticipated cinema camera updates from Sony, the FX3 II, officially referred to as the Sony FX3 Mark II. This camera is generating serious buzz among indie filmmakers, solo content creators, and even professionals working on high-end productions, with leaks and insider reports pointing to groundbreaking upgrades, including a new sensor, global shutter tech, internal RAW, and improved connectivity. The FX32 could be Sony's boldest step yet in compact cinema. So let's break down what's coming and why the FX32 might just become the go-to tool for modern visual storytellers. Refined design and ergonomics. The FX32 carries forward the beloved compact body of the original FX3, but with a wave of smart and thoughtful design refinements. Sony is rumored to improve the ergonomics with a more robust grip, enhanced button placement, and a better balanced build for comfortable handheld operation, especially during long shooting days. One of the biggest rumored upgrades? A fanless cooling system. Unlike the FX3, which some users found too noisy during quiet scenes, the FX32 may rely on a completely silent internal heat dissipation setup, making it much more suitable for interviews, narrative work, or sound-critical environments. New sensor and global shutter. Sony is expected to equip the FX32 with a newly developed full-frame sensor in the 24 to 26 megapixel range. This sensor could include back-illuminated and stacked architecture, allowing for faster readout speeds, improved low-light performance, and greater dynamic range, all while potentially supporting global shutter technology. If true, this will eliminate rolling shutter artifacts, giving filmmakers far more freedom when capturing fast-moving subjects or dynamic handheld sequences. 6K and high frame rate video. The FX32 also reportedly supports native 6K video capture, offering sharper resolution and more flexibility in post. Additionally, 4K at 120 frames per second is expected great for buttery slow-motion shots. This kind of versatility makes it ideal for everything from cinematic storytelling to commercial work and high-speed action, internal RAW and open gate. In terms of recording options, the FX32 steps into a new league with internal 12-bit RAW capabilities. This allows for high-detail, high-color depth footage without requiring bulky external recorders. Pair that with open gate 3:2 recording, and you got a tool that captures the entire sensor area, perfect for cinematic framing and more creative cropping during editing. Advanced connectivity. Connectivity gets a serious boost too. The FX32 is said to support Wi-Fi 6E with high bandwidth wireless transfer capabilities for quick offloads and remote operation. It also includes USB-C tethering, FTP support, and a full-size HDMI port key features for professional workflows, whether you're working solo or in a production crew. These options make your shoot more efficient and seamless. Next-gen autofocus. Sony's autofocus technology is already industry-leading, and the FX32 is expected to push even further. With AI-enhanced subject tracking, better real-time autofocus, and improved eye detection, this camera helps you maintain sharp focus even in unpredictable, fast-paced environments. Whether filming a moving actor, a documentary subject, or action sports, the upgraded autofocus system reduces the need for manual corrections and keeps your footage locked in and sharp. Color science and flexibility. And for those who love color flexibility, Sony is expected to roll out improved color science, including enhanced S-Cinetone profiles and upgraded log shooting modes. The goal is to deliver rich, cinematic imagery right out of camera, while still offering wide latitude for color grading in post. Media slots and workflow. Finally, dual card slots compatible with both CF Express Type A and SD cards give creators the option for high-speed media with reliability and flexibility perfect for hybrid workflows and on-the-go productions. All in all, the Sony FX32 doesn't just tweak a few features. It represents a thoughtful evolution of the FX3, bringing powerful upgrades that directly address the needs of real-world filmmakers. With its rumored global shutter, internal RAW, high-resolution recording, and next-gen autofocus, this camera has potential to set a new standard for compact cinema tools. Are you excited about the FX32? Which feature are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comments below. For more camera news, reviews, and gear insights, be sure to subscribe to Lenz Loop. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest content. Thanks for watching. Keep filming, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.